You bleached your skin, now your body is lighter, but your feet, your knuckles still look like you're walking barefoot on a coal. This is why it is happening and how to fix it.
Come to the space.
Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. Have you ever wondered why your feet, your knuckles are still dark after bleaching your skin? Let me explain. You've probably noticed that after using your bleaching or lightening creams, your body will start getting lighter, but your toes, your feet, your knuckles, your elbows, your knees, even your feet still remains dark. Sometimes it might even look darker than before. Well, you need to understand that bleaching agents do not penetrate thick areas of your skin very easily. Now, let me explain what I mean by that. Most of these bleaching creams that you use work best on soft areas of your skin. It can easily get absorbed into your body and make it lighter within 7 days. But you see your elbows, your knees, they have tough or thicker skin. So those creams or lightening agents will hardly get into those areas very easily. And this is exactly why most people battle with green veins, because they are trying to lighten up or make all the places on their body look even using a lightening or bleaching cream. And another reason why you might be experiencing this dark knuckles or dark feet is because your hands and your feet is usually exposed to sunlight, or because you're using a harsh washing detergent, and this harsh detergent can actually trigger melanin production. And that is exactly why whenever you go back to using a lightening or brightening creams, those dark knuckles are likely to come back. Now, another reason why you might be experiencing this is no exfoliation. See, if you're using any lightening or brightening or whitening cream without exfoliating your skin, just know that it's not going to end well, because there is a buildup of dead skin cells on your skin. If you do not slough them off or take them out, it will make you have dark patches on some places on your body, because there is a buildup of dead skin cells. So these dead skin cells will just form a clot to not allow that badass cream that you bought to penetrate in deeply and do its job. In other words, these areas will end up not getting anything. You would think you're moisturizing your skin, but this body lotion is actually not penetrating deeply into your skin. It doesn't even pass your epidermis. It just sits on top of those dead skin cells. So it's not going to reveal that fresh, beautiful glow underneath, because you're not exfoliating. Now, let me be real with you. Your lightening cream is not a miracle worker, because most of you have high expectations of your lightening or brightening or bleaching cream. If you need that lotion to work, you need to start exfoliating first. Whenever you get a new body lotion, always ensure you exfoliate first before starting that particular body lotion. That way, if there is any buildup of dead skin cells on your skin, it's going to slough it out and allow that body lotion to penetrate in deeply into your skin. And within a week or two, you're definitely going to be seeing the visible effect of that particular lotion. Even if it's not lightening or whitening you, it's going to give you like a smoother, brighter glow that will make you know that, okay, this body lotion is actually doing something. So you not exfoliating is just like pouring water on a stone. Now, one thing I need you guys to understand is that your knuckles, your feet, your knees, your elbows, they usually have a buildup of dead skin cells faster than any other places on your body. So what I'm trying to say in clear sentence is that body lotion is not going to penetrate into your skin if you do not exfoliate. So you will end up wasting a body lotion that you're supposed to get results with. Another thing majority of people do is they treat all their body parts the same. See, I personally, I used to be guilty of this, but you need to understand that they are not. You have thicker skin and you have a lighter skin. See, when you see that a particular body lotion you got is working on every other part on your body, but your feet, your toes, your knees, your elbows, they still look dark. The first thing that will come to your mind is to go get a dark knuckle cream or serum instead of looking for a stronger exfoliant that you can use to tackle that area. I honestly do not know what to tell you. You need to stop doing that. You should know that these dark knuckle creams and dark knuckle serums, they do not work. They will end up worsening your issues. You will go back to square zero. So it's better you don't even try using them. Now, another reason why you still have those dark knuckles, dark elbows, and dark knees is because you're not using a sunscreen. See, most people think that sunscreens are only meant for their faces. Girl, you need to start applying your sunscreen to other exposed areas on your body, like your hands, your feet, wherever the sun is touching at the moment when you are stepping out of your house. You need to put on your sunscreen there to be able to shield your skin away from the sun. Guess what? These UV rays always darken your hyperpigmented areas faster than any other place on your body. So with all of that out of the way, how do we fix this? What products do you need to use on these dark stubborn areas and have that even uniform skin? First, you need to start exfoliating 2 or 3 times weekly is going to help you achieve a uniformly toned skin. And please, if you're trying to tackle those tough areas, do not use a soft scrub because it's going to worsen the issue or cause you micro tears. Go for chemical exfoliants like the ordinary glycolic acid. It's going to easily dissolve off all those dead skin cells on that area without being harsh on your skin. The way it's going to melt away the dead skin cells, you will not even know that it's doing that. But give it like a period of 2 to 3 weeks and you're going to be seeing the effect. For those of you that cannot afford to get the ordinary glycolic acid, you can use a gentle body scrub, but please avoid soft scrubs. You can use like this Dove Macadamia Rice Milk Scrub. It's gentle on the skin and is going to gradually slough off the dead skin cells. It works gradual compared to the ordinary glycolic acid, but it's still going to do the job. Immediately you're done exfoliating your skin, the next product you will need is to go in with a brightening product. Any product that contains kojic acid, alpha-arbutin, licorice extract, or 2 or more of these ingredients, they are going to deeply penetrate into your skin and target those discolorations that you may have without worsening it. So you can choose to get a brightening body serum or a hyperpigmentation cream like this Good Molecules brightening cream. This particular one contains different amazing ingredients that is actually going to help brighten up those dark areas. So immediately you're done having your shower and exfoliating your skin, go ahead, massage this brightening cream on those areas. Now, for those of you with dark knuckles, ensure you wash your hands immediately you're done applying any form of lightening or bleaching cream, and endeavor to get a good hand cream that you can use to moisturize your hands, or you can even use a regular moisturizer. But having any hand cream like the Aveeno hand cream, the Neutrogena hand cream, or any other hand cream of your choice is going to do an excellent job in reducing your dark knuckles. You don't need to use those dark knuckle creams and lotions. You just need to get a regular moisturizer and you're obviously going to see those dark knuckles fade away. Don't forget to also moisturize your dark feet immediately you're done applying your brightening products, because most of these brightening products might feel drying on the skin. So you need something that will be able to lock in moisture, nourish your skin, and replenish your skin. Always ensure you do this treatment at night. And immediately you're done applying all those products I told you, just go ahead and use the socks and cover your leg, even if it's just for a period of 10 minutes. But if you can wear it to bed, then you can actually wear your socks overnight. It's going to give you that softer leg and give you a faster result. The products are going to deeply sink into your skin. The morning after, you're definitely going to notice that your hand and your legs feel so much soft. This is going to do an excellent job in getting rid of your dark feet and your dark knuckles. Now, in the morning, you also want to ensure that you're applying a good sunscreen. Do not sleep on a sunscreen, especially in the daytime. Always ensure you apply your sunscreen on your dark knuckles before you step out of your house. That way, you're going to further prevent any further damages. Now, let me walk you through a simple product recommendations for treating your dark knuckles and your dark feet and any other dark area you might have on your skin. So the first product you will need is an exfoliant, like we already said, and the ordinary glycolic acid is perfect. For your brightening products, you can get the Good Molecules products that we talked about, or you can get the Kojic plus tranexamic acid. This is another product that is going to do an excellent job in brightening those dark areas. Another one I would recommend, especially if your dark knuckles or your dark feet have been there for many years, is using this Admire My Skin 2% hydroquinone serum. It does an excellent job. Endeavor to discontinue this immediately after 3 months of treatment or once you achieve the result you're looking for. Now, for your moisturizers, you can get the Eucerin Repair Body Lotion or you can get the CeraVe Cream. Any of this is absolutely amazing. It will work wonders on your skin and hydrate your skin. Now, for your hand creams, you can go for this Okay for something. I can't pronounce the name, but this is an excellent hand cream. When it comes to sunscreen, the Bondi Sand sunscreen is a perfect sunscreen that can be used on both your face and your body. You can also get the Nivea UV Sun Protect or this Neutrogena Hydro Boost SPF 50 body sunscreen. All these are amazing sunscreens that will get the job done. So these are the products you need if you're looking to treat your dark feet and your dark knuckles. They will help you get rid of them fast. You will not even know there is anything like that anymore because your skin is going to look uniformly toned. So this is exactly why you still have dark knuckles, dark feet after bleaching. Endeavor to follow these tips and you're going to see results. All you need to do is to be consistent and you're definitely going to be seeing the effect within the first 3 weeks to 3 months of completely using this product. I hope today's video was very helpful. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.